everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode, I decided to make a cucumber mushroom appetizer. It's a cold appetizer which you can serve at your next party. So let's see the ingredients. So the first thing you're going to need is, of course, some crab meat. So this is imitation crab meat. I buy this in Costco. These are just hard-boiled eggs, so about 3 eggs, and this is like half of a pound, even less, of the imitation crab meat. Also, a piece of cheese, and this is just cheddar cheese. Also, some garlic, and I think one, if it's this big, will be enough, or 2, 3, as much as you like. Also, a cucumber, and for this recipe, I suggest you use English cucumber, not the mini cucumbers, because you need bigger slices, because you're going to be making this appetizer with a slice of a cucumber. You're also going to need some mayo and some kind of pickled mushrooms. So I found these hot pickled mushrooms in oil. You can buy just marinated mushrooms, any kind of pickled mushroom. It doesn't have to be spicy. This is what I found. Plus we like spicy, so I'm just going to use this. You can use any kind of mushroom as well. And of course, salt and pepper to taste if you like. So let's start by making the salad for this appetizer. So you're going to need a grater. And actually, before I begin, let me tell you something else. For this recipe specifically, you're going to need some kind of picks. They can be wooden picks or plastic picks. They need to be not too short, so not like toothpicks, a little bit longer than that. Wooden or plastic is fine. Of course, if they're decorative, they're very nice because they go through the appetizer, so they look nice. So I'm just using these kind of like forks, sort of plastic ones. Okay, so let's start by making the salad. So what you're going to need is a grater. You can use electrical grater if you have. You can use any kind of grater. Just make sure that it has different sizes. So like this is a big grater and very small one. And I'm just going to use like this medium grate to make this salad. So of course you're going to need a salad bowl as well to place all the ingredients in there. So let's begin by taking your eggs and just grating the egg. Okay, so now let's grate your crab meat, and I'm going to use the same side of the grater again, and I'm just going to grate it. Okay, so now the crab meat is grated, so let's place it into the same bowl. And the last ingredient that we're going to grate for this salad is a piece of cheese, and I'm going to use about 2/3 of this cheese. So grate it on the same grater. Okay, so let's place that cheese into the salad bowl as well. Okay, so the last two things we need to do to this salad is add a little bit of garlic through the garlic press and some mayo. So I'm going to use just this one big one and put it through the garlic press. Okay, and let's add some mayo and then mix it really well. Okay, so the salad is mixed. So now let's work on the cucumber. So for the cucumber, you want to slice rounds, not very thin, but not too thick. So something like a medium kind of slice, and do as many slices as you would like to make appetizers. So I'm going to go ahead and make slices something like this. So that's about the thickness that you want. So I'm going to cut maybe around 10. Okay, so now just place them just like that on your cutting board. And now what you would like to do is take a little teaspoon. So with the help of a teaspoon, you're going to take this salad mixture and you're going to try and make little bowls. Not too big, like the size of a candy. And then you're going to go ahead and place this bowl on top of a slice of a cucumber. Just like that. And if you have leftover salad and, for example, you don't have any more cucumber, you can just make rounds like this and serve just these rounds as well. So that's how you want these to look. And we have one final touch. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take these mushrooms and your little picks. You're going to take one out of a jar. Going to turn it so it's head up just like this. And you're gonna poke it through. Be careful and try not to break them. And I'm gonna leave about this much at the top. And you're gonna do that to each fork as for as many slices of cucumber with the appetizer that you have. And the very last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna poke it through, and then you can always lift this down. So at the end, you want all of your slices to look just like this. This sort of reminds me of like a mushroom growing in the green grass, sort of. So you're gonna take these and place it on your serving platter, and you're gonna do that for all of them. So here's the final result. Let's see up close. So this is a mushroom cucumber appetizer. So we have a pickled mushroom on top and a salad mixture made in the middle that you can see at the beginning of the video. And all of this is placed on a slice of a cucumber. So this is a cold appetizer. I hope you try and make it, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And thank you so much for watching like always. And please show your support by considering to subscribe and liking the video. And thanks again. See you in my next episode. Bye.